on the just to catch everybody up. Sorry for cutting the stream in and out, but we are going over we're going over stuff. So what I'm gonna say is all right, well, comment right there. This guy says it's been months. I made an ID and it still is improving. This is probably some spam. A cheaper pre-pass token. This guy says I have Hermes in front of my models and started making plugins. All right, why are you using Hermes? I'm not gonna go over everybody's comments. This guy has an NCP server that uses Quen 3.6 27B. Blah blah blah. Is there a way? Okay, let me reply to you, Robert, because I think you wanted but I got tired of being Q&A on Reddit. I was using I was using MCP skills and some other tricks, but this really inspired me. Here is a repo with this starting idea. Oh my God. Somebody start. Wow. Wow. I am amazed. I inspired a repo. That's phenomenal, guys. That's phenomenal. That's fucking phenomenal. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. I only dropped a snippet of code, and now this guy has an entire repo on it. Yeah. Wait. Can I star it? Oh, I gotta sign in. We gotta sign in. Oh, we gotta sign in. Let's get to the GitHub. Oh my God. Sign the fuck in. Yes, this is me. Jesus Christ. I have so much authentication. Are we in? My phone's about to go off and tell me like to verify GitHub too. Y'all ain't never getting into my repos. Oh my God, bro. Did you not sign in? Let's get into this repo. Let's get into this repo. All right. Finally, we're in my org, and we are gonna fork this. Fork you, baby. Fork you, baby. Create a new fork you, baby. This guy just took my idea, structured it, made a repository. I am forking it back to myself to elevate it. Let's get it. let's talk about this whole new world. He literally copied everything I put. So let's give a shout out to let's come on. Let's give a shout out to DJ4C OB1. All right. He's got 4 stars on it right now. Hold on, hold on. Let's let him know. Let's let him know. Let's let him know. I am almost at tears, guys. I am almost at tears. I am a photographer. Okay. Let's do a little background. By law, by heart, I am a photographer first. All right. I wonder if what a pull on my chat doc. Oh, I would talk with more people. So this is my website, novisions.com, blah blah blah. This is like an alpha beta version of it. As you can see, I still have a lot of placeholders for my photography here, a lot of placeholder wording. But you can click all the buttons. All the buttons are clickable. And if you do go to my services site, you can book any vision and where the hell? Oh, here it goes. And you see, it will actually allow you to secure a date, a preferred time, a venue, location, full name, address, and you can put your service type. Oh, I got to clean this up. So, and then of course, somewhere along here, you can see where I'm starting to work on my AI tools, but whatever. We're not here for that. We are here for anti-gravity. So let's finish reading the GitHub because I took a day off because I swear to you, I wrote that code because I've been running anti-gravity, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I've been doing my own like custom things inside anti-gravity, and I was just like, all right, let me drop some code for the people out there in the world because some people need to know like this is how you can save money. You can literally say like Google literally gave us Gemma 4 right before they dropped Gemini 3.5. They said, here's the free route, and then we about to tax you. So, what do you think of them? Is it too short? Oh, this is the comment I don't understand. I have a laptop with a RTX 37 lying around. Could it be any help? I can let you know live now on screen. Rod plants. I'm gonna be nice because I want people to I don't want Reddit to ban me for self promotion. You're promoting yourself. You're promoting yourself. It's self promotion. All right, can I go on this page with just look at me? I am self promoting. I'm self promoting to myself. It's quite all right. It's all right because we about to make it hype. Local fast. Okay, so I do want to go into this repo. I want to see what you did. Verify Olama SH. Okay, model route. Oh, you made a model router route task. Okay, let's look at your examples. Okay, look at that. Oh, oh. Okay. All right. Let me stop teasing myself. Let me stop teasing myself. Welcome to Anti-Gravity. Now, unfortunately, I have version 2.01. It will say restart to update. I have not fixed the update crash because I refuse to full delete my anti-gravity to restart it. And I will show you why. Most people, if you ever type hi inside your Google anti-gravity, it's going to say, hey, what you doing? Right? Let me show you something. All right. First, we're going to look at our settings real quick. Make sure we are on. All right. Let's refresh. I've got AI credit overages allowed. We've got a full model quota for Gemini. We've got 40% for Claude that refreshes in 5 days. Whatever. We don't care about Claude because honestly, why are we on 4.6 still when 4.8 is out? 4.7 was better than 4.6. You just said F Anthropic, Google. Anyways, we go here. I'm going to say hi. Do, 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 do. So what you're going to see is a Python code. Why did my hi run a hi probe? Huh, what's going to happen? Do, 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 do. All right, I've triggered the hi probe protocol script as requested by rule 0.1, standing by for its output. First thing, guys, anti-gravity allows you to set rules. So if you go into your settings, you go down, we're in projects, right? And you can see at the bottom in projects, you'll see rules right here, show to breakdowns. The rules are coming from user global, 8,000 words, and then a Gemini MD, 1,500, right? User global, copy the path, and then, so my user global is right there. That is my Gemini MD, that Gemini MD, right? I got to fix this part where after I say hi, it doesn't return. It works on my other computer, but right now this one's having trouble. It is probably stalling right now because it's run. Oh, never mind. You just got stuck in CTX mode. All right. Here's the full output from the anti-gravity high probe. Antigravity high. Now this is my vaults and credentials. Keymaker, okay. Constitutions. Agents MD file missing. Interesting. Context mode, link active. Stadium telemetry, shards database. I got 4,991 shards. Llama engine is running with these models. Active VRAM models, none. Let's see, network latency. Okay, my other computer, unreachable. This is me right here, reachable, unreachable. My disk space. All my other computers are offline right now. Look at that. We even have MTA subway briefings. Weather alert, 83 degrees right now. And then here's some global news brief. Martin Scorsese gets a backlash after endorsing creatively freeing AI. A film shot entirely in Haiti, The Tropic Sun in His Eyes, to debut at Tribeca Film Festival. Okay, the godfather of AI says we're not just creating new beings, they'll be much smarter than us and soon. AI feature premiering at Tribeca. Okay. So, what this is a script that I built so that when it says hot, Antigravity follows a rule, runs a Python code that runs through all my API keys and pulls back all of this intel. Now, with this intel, it knows where Olama is. As you can see, local Olama. And it should also know where my clouds are. So, we're going to ask, how many sub-agents do we have? All right, we have 0 active sub-agents. We have 2 predefined sub-agents. So what we're going to do now that's like 2 years ago. Before. Floor's lava? No, that was the whole potato from that same day. I cooked 4 potatoes that day. I only cut up 2. So that's a good potato. No, you watch me drop the toppings from the other 2 that were cut up earlier. No, not that corned beef hash. These were potatoes that were in the oven with. Yes. Yes. All right. So blah blah blah. Now, Olama sub-agents? Huh? Do, 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 do. Now you guys are gonna ask, how come you write small information to your agent? It's my agent. Oh, I should have. Hopefully it was going too fast and you can't read it. But I built persistent memory within my agent. So my agent actually rescans a database, pulls all the context into context mode, pulls the relevant information it needs based off of Olama subagents, question mark. And then it pulls everything off of my computer. So that's where our sandbox is. All right. Now we want to go over here to DJ, I guess. DJ from Germany has made a whole repository off of the Reddit post. So we are going to take his repository and delegate it to a subagent. So under the high probe, rule 1 and our local first execution router, we delegate local reasoning, code reviews, bug triages, and task planning to Yuki AI locally on Olama. This respects the coach box constraint. 500 token budget and saves our cloud API tokens for escalations that generally require live web data or a high-level architecture decision. What is it that I wanted to do? I want to just get my own code. Let me just get my. Oh, da, 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 da. We're going to change this. All right. And we, oh, wait, stop. I murdered that shit. I'm baking something else. I'm sorry. I'm murdered all the slices. I'm in the process of baking. Not the pizza thing, but like some thumb thing or like a bun kind of thing. If that makes sense. Meat inside the dough. No. All right. Right now, it's working in context mode, and it's using the local AI. Clone the repository. So I'm reading this code right now. Constraint, blah, blah, blah. Your UPAI, the tactical local execution on I pray the user has found the anti probably wants to build, set up, and